Hi friends, this video shows how to manually start recording call during phone call. Let me open this phone app. Tap on this phone app icon. Then dial one number. So let me dial this. Please wait. See, call is connected. Here on top right corner you can see three dots. Tap here. Then tap on record calls. Tap on record call. See, recording has been started. This way we can manually record a call during phone call. Next I will show you how we can stop this. Again, tap on these three dots on top right corner. Tap on stop recording call. Done. Let me disconnect. Next I will show you where we can find that recorded call. Open my files. Tap on this my files app. Tap on internal storage. Go to recordings. Tap on call. Here you can see all recorded calls. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.